2020 Dodge Challenger GT V6. She wrecked her other one, so she went and got another one. You know how that goes. We can't walk to work, we drive to work. There's the stock converters there and there. And the phone always rings. Then it's got factory X pipe into 2 1/4 pipe. Then we put 2 vibrant bottle style mufflers there and there. Then 2 1/4 pipe all the way back. Then we did a rear muffler, resonator delete there and there. Look at them shiny, shiny vibrants. They're so cute. You'll see a link in the description for the vibrants if you guys want them. And like always, guys, please like, comment, subscribe. And we'll let you guys hear it in a second. 2020 Dodge Challenger V6. Really beautiful car. What we got done on it for you guys, there's the factory converters there and there. Then it goes into an X-Pipe factory. Then what we did, she wanted FLOWMASTER Super 10s instead of the stock mufflers, so that's what we did. Their wish is our command. 842518. There'll be a link in the description for both of them. You guys want to make sure you click that link if you want to purchase them. Then it's 2 1/4 pipe out the back on each side. And then we did a rear muffler or resonator delete right there and right there. And left the factory tips on it out the back to keep that factory look right there. There's the 2 resonators and the 2 mufflers. They're on the bottom of that, you see, that we cut off. And there it is after. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Hope you guys like it. 2020 Dodge Challenger with vibrant bottle mufflers and rear muffler delete. That's perfect. Really nice and deep. Deep sound. Here's sound decibels. Right at 98. Go ahead and back it out. One's not the bottle, the bigger bottles. That's why it gives it a little bit more deeper sound. If you don't want a lot of drone, you put them in the middle. That sounds so good. What do you guys think? Let us know. Let you guys hear on the inside. FLOWMASTER Super 10 rear delete. That sounds good. There's sound decibels. 98.5. 99. Go ahead and back it up. That sounds phenomenal. The FLOWMASTER Super 10 gives a really nice deep tone. Let you guys hear on the inside. Really beautiful car. I love that body style. It's so cool. What will they come up with next? The world will never know. Yet.